So in this exercise here, we're going to be working with the shoulder girdle complex. So the idea here is to think about moving through space and going through the rotations that occur at the shoulder. We're going to start with the palms down by the hips. So we're going to be in prone position at the hands. The hands are going to slide very lightly on the floor to the shoulder height. At this level, they rotate and they lift up to 6 inches the height of the roller. Now we're going to continue through the snow angel and bring the arms over the head and have them touch. And then it's very slow, stick or slow to come back to the T position, palms remain up. When you're at the T position, your hands drop down and they slide along the floor, all the way back into the hips. Depending on how much tension's in the shoulder girdle, we can run through this and then rotate and lift up about anywhere 6 to 10 times. In space, you'd want to have those hands touch and then bring it back, but if they don't, that's absolutely fine. And then rotate and the hands slide back in. Can we try it one more time? So we're going to slide all the way up to the T position. Now here, if you want to advance it, palms are going to be up. Now the hands are going to stay on the floor, and you're going to try and keep the hands on the floor and continue all the way over top and have them touch. And if they don't touch, you simply lift them up and then bring them all the way back. Allow the ribs to open and the back to extend to allow that work to happen. And then pronate and bring it back down. Good.